Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago, talking energy. Talk natural gas. The June highs were reached by natural gas as it spikes up to the highest price since June, which is spot 974. Again, that was approximately June 28th where we reached that level. We were on a downtrend at that point. Prior to that, natural gas had actually reached up toward that $3 range and hadn't quite reached it. Back to school is actually part of what's driving energy prices. It's the back to school weather report that's causing it. Industrial air conditioning is boosting potential demand for natural gas. As kids go back to school, these huge industrial air conditioners, some of which run on natural gas powered electricity, and given the weather forecast, which really is a little bit of rain cooling a little early this week, but then overall dissipating and continued heat in the northwest, the west, southwest, across the south, and then up into the lower east coast. All excessive hot weather with comfortable temperatures in the upper Midwest and the north, and that expected to extend past the weekend. So that's really causing in a lot of those sectors these big industrial air conditioners to run. You wouldn't think something like back to school could affect natural gas prices, but that's that seasonality, and it's kind of going against the actual 20-year average of the seasonality, which shows a bit of a depressed price level starting in about mid to late August. We're not seeing that right now. We're actually seeing quite the rally. Now, EIA figures come out on Thursday. They are expected to be bullish. Last week we got an increase of 46 billion cubic feet, but that was below the 5-year average of injections of inventory of 53 billion cubic feet. Right now we're 572 billion cubic feet below the 5-year average in terms of the inventories, and 671 billion cubic feet lower than this time last year. So you would hope, in terms of natural gas prices, if you don't expect them to be expensive in the winter, you would hope for a quick cooling off period in the weather so that those inventories can get built back up. But we're not getting expectations out of that in the EIA predictions by the experts at this point. They're expecting the build to be a little bit smaller again than that 5-year average. So we finished the day at about 295.4 or close to 295.5 in the natural gas futures contract. That is up 82 basis points, a little bit more than 0.75%. This is Bob Iaccino talking energy, specifically natural gas, from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.